because maybe the Tireka as at now. This is a Kufuado or GP, Baumia GP. Omsika at the mom, and this for Yemma. I mean, first lady, any second lady, they give back their money. This kind of back. That the friend, Unim, as one maker. They give the money back. Now, say, my main court way a Ghana card, so the reason why up to date, Ghana for complaints omuni Ghana card, daddy, the problem is almost me 1 day any Ghana card. It is then or be or take Ghana for over a year and change the idea they buy own. That tells you they are lying. The reason why they can't take the card and they say almost through say almost kwajia almost formation cost that's the whole secret behind them not taking the card. Obi kwajia no account so me kwajia na I deal with the oko BB better you bet my track me no do almost through it no money Obi fra bretre card ne ade bet wo friend also menya Ghana card. I ask myself, say, I see then no more Ghana this up to date omunyabi. It in a ho asem no. If I over some for I see look at your case no back last time. Over some for make it come and say, I don't know chairman not say look at the other so can once and say Obi ete edasu rule power ye baby and sabotage no. I think that was the exact word. Me person bi so for example say onimu say obi ti akonya so yen sabotage na na almost sorry a omni nam kekan Akufo-Addo ho asem ene omunya kai you know what is good for the Ghana is good for the Mokane say you know omunya keka umpese ye de wa de na de yobi you know you know omunya kra na mami main you know so if I TV3 for so TV3 should feel ashamed of themselves as a big station like this and that's such a huge platform. Now say Oman Penny Abba national stage so bekasa. This is the only thing you can cover. I feel embarrassed for them. Now sa TV3 Juman Krano. Many cry say ka omo pe kwa bisu no almost suspend your license for some time. Because Adea omoye no eyadumtia kese. But first of all, have they asked themselves say ekwabe the fast so global citizen they decided to come to Ghana and do the show in Ghana. Now omonim kwen fast so omonim negotiation. Omonim nipo started. Excuse me. Ever since Akufo-Addo a year of return, foreigners started by Ghana, Omobe visiting. They realize Ghana is not bad. Somebody has to do the initiation. And I'm sideways, I say, Akufo-Addo, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, or the Ghana up to word map. Ghana has been well recognized. All over the West, they say, "Oh, Castle, I'm from Ghana." You said it with your chest out, Daddy. Madam Fuji, you be a minute we are Juma or Hase Avi. Oh, Chese, why you ready? Also, person could be or big sneakers shop or Kromoa, or say a big warehouse or supply companies like VIM, Dr. J's near the honor mom supply or Mutunton. Also, person would be called Ghana. Because what Ghana is developing now, you're not good leader power. Jewish in you, or say the leader you guys have. I asked a time I almost started time Israel for started so munya good leaders maybe. And then Israel do baby doing it. You know, people are ready to invest. Now some Moses says I should buy when I'm the better now. No more do foreign investors about Mudia. It's not going to work. Yeah, try show. TV3, they should bow their hair in shape. Well, they should bow their hair in shape. Oh my God, the crack. Now, oh my God, TV station, and the nice do got booed. And so what? We got booed, I'm on a mubumu. So, ese hu akwa na me disase aye bia no mama no mo pese mama bedi ade no me kwahye ye ba kope o aye bia no tama na mama wo so no mama eye bibi ma omo ni omo busuafo e na Akufo Addo aba bese ni nti na o se omo mpa Akufo Addo they should let us know. Just like I asked somebody yesterday on chama deporte a mama dija oni na busuafo a eti Akufo Addo aba bese na eti na Akufo Addo nkona mama bra they should tell us. And I'm a man in scenario me say me no cafe. The reason why me support Akufo Addo because me offer say be o say Ghana na every year be me go to the school fees no and say no me pocket it me dey me to enam to be could get grocery room dey go me fridge me medi etino me dey why be ama me oyo sika no wa ma me sa ka me dey wa ha you know it is omunya ni omoye no ne sabotage ni propaganda ni empene na say mo mpa Akufo Addo no one Akufo Addo kwa na mo for them obe replacing no one obebu o man definitely not the choice they want because you any baby oneti omoye sa but mo it no that made manuesi ma me fa manusi na me some no be
Metre magene afa NDC for the da omoye omo de omo ntra ho no mu no omo ho na Addo okọ voter region so omo hu yi okọ northern region so hu se di ahemfo no esikasa so omo nte ya ahemfo se ya dada omo no mu se wi asese no krefo o wi asese omo di NDC achi NDC di omo hwamo afi no ma hu se nipa no krefo ewo asase so ohimpon kan we ya so hu se na chiri tafo nyina omo ne ya adwen ohene ne so kan asasem ni wie no omo boje ne so na Addo so tisi kromo woko no ho na hu se edom firi abontene omo fie hia papa no because wakomo omo nsua no akotimia northern region nsu o de wa won ko hoda no nsu ho den that different nsu ho den ntika o mampanyini dada mama o baaye no na o se nka wo dwene ho nuanom ho because omo bre na wo baaye wantimi anye sa niema we no mo nya sika na mo de tinkan ho nko nkra ho na mo de ti wantimi ankoboa mu kurumfo a mo nsu anom ma mo electricity papa bia ma mo school papa bia enlewe nkola ni didi e wo north school omu didi omo nya school papa omo nya airport papa omo nya football park papa jese niema kese na omo hu se papa yi ba waye notness so de omo no omo yiwu kakra bi na bia na adwene da na ho anada omo no de lekure nti na omo ba fe obampanyini bia ba power otimi take sankofo ne se ode ne